Okay. I need 2 more volunteers from each clan. You! Toby! I need 1 more from each. That guy! I need 1 more from this clan. I need 1 more. 1 new person. 1 new. Yes, I'm the Itachi. Oh, you're just Itachi. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, spoiler. Just edit that out of your video. Just go, oh, it's bleep Itachi. Okay, come here to this, that's it. I know, I got them on eBay. eBay is your cosplay friend. Wink, wink. Okay, you can't see me wink, wink, but you know I did it. Okay, you hold that.
Is it supposed to happen?
Hold that. Oh, you're... There's children in here. Are there children in here?
No, maybe.
Okay, what's your language? What's your ninja language? You hold this. Okay. Alright, where are my boards? There are my boards. You hold this. You hold this.
Okay.
That's why I laid down the carpet, huh? Hold the cup. I'm gonna remove this. There we go. So good. Okay, not just a little phone. Alright, take off the tape, open the lids.
Oh dear.
Just rip off the lids. Just, okay. Yeah, good. Alright, trust me, you're not going to need it here. Alright. You stand in here, you stand here.
You're gone.
Now, I said this is children in the room, stop that! Okay. Hold the cup to your face like this. Okay. Now you and you get the honor of feeding them noodles. With your eyes closed. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. I can give you blindfold if you want.
I'm blind anyways.
Okay, you're blind anyways. Spoiler, leave that out. Yeah, it's okay, it's gonna get on the carpet, don't worry. Just try not to get it on you or him or me, yeah? Okay. Alright.
Is it hot? Is it too hot? No. Okay.
It's just right. It's good enough. Okay. First in the cups. Eyes closed. I don't care if you're blind, eyes closed. 1, 2, go! Eat those noodles! Eat those noodles! Keep going! Keep going! Oh, don't laugh because you didn't inhale, right? Just keep going, it's okay, I still love you, it's okay.
Chew, Toby, chew!
There you go, keep chewing, it's okay. It's okay. Hey, face to the cup, there you go. You do such a good job.
Let's go left side.
Okay, we're doing so good.
Go right side.
Oh my God! Yes!
Left side.
Wow, there's more noodles on the floor than the beds. Woo-hoo! Oh, I like that. Oh, it's not too hot, is it? No. Okay. Wow. Hey, you like beef flavor? No? Yeah? Okay, good, because that's all they have at Walmart. $1.29, take note. Okay. Walmart is your friend, remember? I mean the Ninja Walmart. Okay, how are we doing over here? Let's see. Oh, stop!
Oh, where did my fork go?
Okay. Lesser clan gets another point. Woo!
You hit the left side.
That's it.
Oh, your left, not my left.
Exactly. Okay. Now finish it. Finish eating. Go ahead. Finish eating. Yes. Good boy.